Hi y'all, it's very good to be with you today. So today we are going to learn about the types of fractions. So as you can see, there's mainly three types of fractions. One is proper fraction, second one improper fraction, third one mixed fraction. So the first one is the proper fraction. So any fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is generally termed as the proper fraction. For example, 2 over 3. Here the numerator is less than the denominator, or 3 by 5. So here also numerator less than the denominator. So improper fraction, next one. So any fraction whose numerator is larger than the denominator is termed as the improper fraction. For example, 3 by 2, 5 over 3. In all of these cases, the numerator is larger than the denominator. Now the mixed fraction. So any fraction that can be written in the form 3 1 by 3. That means I'm having a whole number and a proper fraction part. Another example, 2 1 by 2. So here also I'm having a whole number part and also a proper fraction part. So any fraction that can be written in this way is called as the mixed fraction. Now there is actually a connection between improper fraction and mixed fraction. Actually, they are the same thing. So in the next thing, we are going to see how to convert a improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So let's say I'm having the improper fraction 20 over 7. I know that if I divide it, 20 divided with 7, it is going to go 2 times, right? Because 7 times 2 is 14. So I'm going to get the remainder as 6 here, right? So this can be written as 2 6 over 7. 2 whole, that is a quotient, and 6 is my remainder, and 7 is nothing but the number with which I'm dividing. So 2 6 by 7 is nothing but the mixed fraction of 20 over 7. Let's go for one more problem. (10 over 3). So here the same way I'm dividing it 10 with 3. So this is going to go 3 times. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 with a remainder 1. So I can write it as the quotient first, that is a 3. Then the remainder 1 divided by the divisor, that is a 3 itself. So 3 1 by 3 is nothing but the equivalent of 10 over 3. So next we are going into the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's say I'm having the mixed fraction 2 3 over 4. So to convert this one, what we have to do is that first multiply the 4 and 2. Multiply the 4 and 2, then add the answer with the 3. So this will give me 4 times 2, then plus 3, the whole divided by the denominator itself, that is 4. So this is equal to 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 divided by 4, this is equal to 11 over 4. So that is the improper fraction of 2 3 over 4. We will go for one more problem. What about 7 2 by 3? So here also the same way, multiply the denominator with the whole number part, then add that answer with the 2 with the numerator. So this will be nothing but 7 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3 itself, that is the denominator. So 7 times 3 is 21 plus 2 divided by 3. So this is nothing but 23 over 3. I hope it's clear. Yeah, I have also uploaded some questions for you to practice, so check that out. And if you want to know how to add or subtract different fractions, check out my next video. See you there. Have a nice day. Bye.